welcome to Memory Maps with Miss Amanda. We are going to be making the Central America map today. Now, we have done the North America map, and Central America is part of North America technically as a continent, but because it has larger land mass and it has countries in it, we're going to go ahead and make this a separate map so that we can fit them on different pieces of paper. So for this map, we are going to be using a piece of paper, a pencil, and a ruler. We are not going to be making any folds, so we are going to be doing, this one's a pretty quick map to make. We're going to make a quadrilateral that is 6 inches long, or wide, I guess. So start at the corner at your first tick mark on your ruler and measure out a diagonal line, not super slanty, but a diagonal line that is 6 inches long. And then go ahead and drop down about 2 inches, and you're going to make a line that is not quite parallel. Maybe make it a little bit straighter. This way we have an exaggerated line that is about 6 inches wide. Now, Central America is a very swoopy and squiggly landmass. We aren't going to be doing that today. We're just getting the general locations of our countries. So it is in its glorious swoopiness. We are not going to be doing that. So we're going to just close up this landmass by doing 2 lines, and now we've got this great quadrilateral that is going to give us a general idea of where these countries are. Now, we're going to break this up into 5 sections. So go ahead, and I like to just kind of make sure I have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to make a top. So the first section, starting from the left, I'm going to make a top. So I've got a little portion and a big portion. I should have made that a little bit bigger. And then this one down here, the second one, I'm going to do a little portion on the bottom and one on the top. Now, I had some clever students in the past, and they came up with a mnemonic device to help me figure out where to place all of the countries. So we're going to go ahead and learn that now. They said, be good every single hour. Never cause ruckus, please. Now, Miss Amanda, what do those mean? I'm glad you asked. The first one is going to be Belize. Now, notice that these are all capital letters. Guatemala, Te-mala, make sure that that is an E. And the next one is going to be El Salvador. I had a great friend who was from El Salvador, and every time I do this, I remember her. Honduras. She made great food, and she was very welcoming. Okay, Nicaragua. Make sure that dot. Okay, and then Costa Rica. Make sure that your C looks like an uppercase C, capital C, and not a lowercase. That kind of looks like on camera an E. Let me make sure that O looks like an O. Handwriting does matter, guys. All right, and then Rica. And then the last one is Panama. And that's it, guys. All we have to do now is add our compass rose so that we know north. Never eat soggy worms. And we're going to add in our seas. So we've got the Caribbean Sea, or the Caribbean Sea, however you say it, and the Pacific Ocean. And there you go. That is Central America.